Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to delete LinkedIn account permanently. So first what you're going to do is you just have to go to your LinkedIn, go to your account or log into your account. So what you're going to do here is you have to click your profile at the top, and then you have to scroll down here and go to settings and privacy. Tap this one. Now next thing to do is you have to make sure that you're on account preferences, and then here you have to scroll down till you see this close account right here. So what you're going to do is you have to click this one, and basically it will ask you about this. So are you sure you want to close your account? You will lose your connections, messages, endorsements, and recommendations. What you're going to do here is just tap continue. Then it will ask you the reason for closing account. You just have to select from any of this given option right here. For example, I have a privacy concern. Tap next. Enter your password. Tap this one and then click done. And basically that's how easy it is to delete your LinkedIn account permanently.